Hello! Today we are going to learn new words. We are going to learn farm animals. Vamos aprender os animais da quinta. So, what animals are we going to learn? This is a horse. Horse. Can you repeat? Horse. Very good. The horse is brown. Look, here is a cow. Cow. Can you repeat? Cow. Very good. The cow is black and white. And here we have a sheep. Sheep. Can you repeat? Sheep. The sheep is white. Look, here we have a hen. Hen. Can you repeat? Hen. Oh, look. It's a pig. Pig. Can you repeat? Pig. And the pig is pink. And finally, we've got a rabbit. Rabbit. Can you repeat? Rabbit. Okay, very good. So these are the farm animals. The animals that live on a farm. São os animais que vivem na quinta. So, let's revise. Vamos rever outra vez. Horse, cow, sheep, hen, pig, and rabbit. Okay? So I have here a little helper. Tenho aqui ajudante hoje. My son, Duarte, o meu filho Duarte. So let's see if Duarte has learned the new words. Vamos ver se o Duarte já sabe as novas palavras. So, Duarte, what is this?
A rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Very good. And this?
A pig.
Very good. And this? A hen. And
Sheep.
a sheep.
A cow.
A cow. And a
Horse.
horse, of course. Okay, so here are the new words about the animals. Bye-bye.